is just a piece of paper. But what if I told you I could cut a hole inside it big enough to fit my entire body? Well, according to astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson, it's actually possible.
Okay, if it's something to do with Neil deGrasse Tyson, I think it's something that has to do with you thinking outside the box and not inside the box, if you know what I mean. Yeah, like that surface area kind of
So to
experiment.
test this, I grabbed a sheet of paper and folded it
Let's
in
see how you
half.
did it,
Next,
though.
I sketched lines in this specific pattern, and then carefully I cut along them. Now, here is the trick. On the folded side, skip one line and then cut through the others and leave the last one as well. Now, if you did it right, you should end up with this weird.
See, it's just some weird stuff on how you think or its perspective, but it's actually cutting a circular shape from the paper. It's not actually cutting a hole through the paper, is it? Probably.